Okay, he's done. Gator Grip is strong enough to handle up to 150 foot-pounds of torque. So breaking free a rusted nut is no problem. It can remove recessed, odd-shaped, even damaged and stripped nuts and bolts. Amazing. Ow, that's a pain in your hand. But with the Gator Grip, it's a breeze. Why spend hundreds on all these tools? All you need is the Gator Grip that fits over 1,000 nuts, bolts, and fasteners for only $19.95. But it gets better. You'll also receive this high-speed adapter that connects Gator Grip to your power drills and drivers. Drive in metal bolts with ease. Quickly install protective shutters. Or put together a bicycle super fast. Yours free. Call right now and we'll include this heavy-duty ratcheting handle. Keep one in the kitchen drawer for repairing a sink or turning a broken water spigot. Together, it's all you need. Yours free. Gator Grip comes with a lifetime replacement warranty. If it ever breaks or fails, we'll replace it free for life.
Call 1-800-414-5588 to order your Gator Grip for just $19.95. Or send check or money order to this address. This incredible offer won't last, so call 1-800-414-5588.
Hi, I'm meteorologist Paul Goodlow for the Weather Channel. Did you know that skin cancer is the most preventable of all cancers? It can affect anyone of any skin tone. So as the seasons change, remember, UV rays are present year-round.
Don't get burned by too much of a good thing.
Now, from the Weather Channel, here's your local forecast, always on the 8s of every hour.
You're watching the Weather Channel. Live by it.
There is snow falling from the Ohio Valley to the northeast today. Light snow fell upon Cincinnati this morning. Right now, we're still seeing flakes in Cleveland and in Pittsburgh. Coming up, we'll tell you if there will be snow on your Tuesday.
Meanwhile, blue skies greeted you in Orlando today as Super Bowl MVP Tom Brady of the New England Patriots was on hand for the Disney Stars in Motor Cars Parade. Temperatures topped out around 65 today, and just ahead we'll tell you how cold the theme parks will be for tomorrow. And good evening and welcome to Weather Center. I'm Jennifer Lopez along with Paul Goodlow.
Thanks for joining us. We begin in the Northeast where a lot of happy Patriot fans are watching us tonight. Congratulations to the world champion New England Patriots, and how fitting that the Patriots are world champions. Let's talk about the weather right now. Well, you know what? Hey, we are still in winter. Again, we just played the Super Bowl, play it in the winter. We're still dealing with the winter weather here, although most of the snow now is really slowly starting to taper off as our front continues to push on out towards the Atlantic. We are seeing some lake effect snow showers now slowly taper off here across Lake Erie and even Lake Ontario. Still have some snow coming down here in New England and down East Maine. Some snow showers still possible, although not looking for the heavy accumulation. Snow still coming down at a good clip across the New York State Thruway, heading into the lower Hudson Valley. Will it make it to New York City? Maybe a few flakes. Better chance of some light snow, Rockland County, Putnam County, maybe even along Jersey, but we're not looking at really any more than perhaps a dusting of snow. This is not going to, we don't have enough fetch, we don't have enough snow upstream to really come down and really give us heavy accumulations. But you know what? Some of the high country here in West Virginia has picked up quite a bit of snow. We're talking about Snowshoe, West Virginia, 10 inches of snow on the ground, and we're still seeing in the high country of the Appalachians, the mountains still pick up perhaps another 3 or 4 inches. But the wind is blowing out there as well, so take a look at your temperatures in the teens and 20s. Again, that's after the front has passed you a good some time ago, but as the front just now clearing the coast, expect that cold air to move on in as well. But you know what? Already the wind's gusting over 40 miles per hour for much of the day. It has been feeling like the teens and 20s in D.C., Philly, and New York City, but the interior, the wind chill is below 0 in Buffalo. As you look at your forecast, the front's out of here. Still have a little disturbance coming across, enhancing your lake effect snow showers in the interior, and another cool but sunny day along the coast. As we head towards the Midwest, high pressure in control. Still have some light lake effect snow showers slowly tapering off now across Lake Michigan and Lake Erie, but our temperatures in the heart of winter here in the teens and 20s across the region, but the wind chills make it feel like the single digits across the area. 8 is your wind chill factor in Chicago. The forecast here, again, weak little clipper system coming across, maybe some snow showers in Michigan. Outside of that, should be a pretty quiet day, but cold across much of the Midwest. What's going on here in the southeast? With that, here's Jennifer.
We have a lot of cold air across the southeast. It's going to get even colder through tonight and into tomorrow. Meanwhile, we're watching this system over Texas and throughout the southern plains that right now is bringing rain and a little bit of freezing rain into western Texas, but it's going to get very interesting as we go throughout the day tomorrow. For tonight, you will continue to find rain into Dallas off and on, and rain moving into Houston as well, possibly over into Midland and even into San Antonio. Now, the temperatures through the southern plains right now are in the 40s and 50s, and that's pretty much what we're finding across most of the southeast. Nashville down to 32, but it's going to be an extremely cold night with temperatures dropping in the 20s in many locations. Then, meanwhile, tomorrow, our system across the southern plains will continue here and bring a chance for some snow into Oklahoma City, especially into the afternoon, and snow also into the afternoon into Dallas and overnight tomorrow night. At least there's that possibility of it. Rain, though, for Texas or for Houston, Texas, and it could be very heavy rain and a cold one with temperatures into the middle 40s. Then as we get into Wednesday, that precipitation stretches eastward, and Nashville, Memphis, possibly seeing some snow for you, and stronger thunderstorms farther to the south. One thing to tell you about tonight here across the southeast, we have freeze warnings in effect for Tallahassee and much of South Georgia. We're also concerned with frost advisories out for the San Joaquin Valley, as temperatures tonight will be getting into the lower 30s to upper 20s. A warm, mild day throughout most of the southwest. And as we look into the western half of the country, we are finding, again, with that system over Texas, plenty of moisture streaming into New Mexico and southern Arizona. A little bit of light snow moving down into Wyoming and across Montana. That should begin to taper off tonight, though. And then another storm system coming into the Pacific Northwest. It won't bring you rain tonight and into Seattle and into Portland, but it will continue to bring you strong gusty winds with gale warnings right along the coast. Then for tomorrow, we're looking at rain into Seattle as well as into Portland, but a nice day in L.A. We get to a high of around 74 degrees. A cold one, though, in Salt Lake was 28. Let's take you through the maps and how tomorrow will be shaping up as we continue to watch this system, which will be the most active one in through the south. It continues to stretch along a good band of freezing rain, perhaps even some ice at times setting up across Arkansas and into northern Louisiana, and then not moving very fast tomorrow, but eventually on Wednesday stretching into much of Dixie. As far as tonight, we look for heavy snow, possibly 3 to 6 more inches coming down across West Virginia and in through the Appalachians. And then for tonight, look at these temperatures dropping into the 20s as far south as near the Gulf of Mexico, teens across the Great Lakes and some single digits. Then for tomorrow afternoon, we do warm up some in the south, but it is going to be a pretty cold day, not only for Tuesday, but also for Wednesday. So highs will be into the 40s here. We find some 20s and 30s across the northeast, and I guess the warm spot will be in through the southwest. Well, stay with us. Local on the 8s is up next.
Today's business thought. The difference between Worldcom and ordinary network solutions companies? We own the most scalable IP network. They don't. We plug solutions directly into our network. They can't. We take precautions. They take risks. But you don't have to. Worldcom Generation D.
These days, everyone wants something retouched. A birthmark, red eyes, stained teeth. Now, those problems are easy to fix. But after years of coffee and soda, I wanted something that would whiten my teeth for real. But the option seemed almost medieval. I mean, who wants to wear those trays filled with bleaching gel night after night?
And then my dentist told me about Bright Smile.
Performed by thousands of the country's top dentists, Bright Smile is a revolutionary procedure that restores your teeth to their ultimate natural whiteness in one short visit. The secret is Bright Smile's patented light and advanced gel technology, which allows Bright Smile to do what previous methods couldn't, safely whiten your teeth, an average of over 8 shades in about 1 hour. And the benefits will last for years.
I can't believe it worked this well, this fast.
For only a little more than bleaching trays, Bright Smile provides the most advanced teeth whitening technology available. Nothing whitens teeth faster, easier, and more effectively. Call now to set up an appointment or a free consultation with a Bright Smile dentist.
Get the